Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 8 says solve the following. Negative 2 times 3x plus 1 equals 5 times negative 3x minus 1. So in this problem, I'm going to go through the process and ask, is the left side and right side simplified? And in this case, the answer is no, because I have a distributive property actually on both sides of the problem. So that's what I'm going to do first. Negative 2 times 3x will give me negative 6x. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Now my left side is in simplest form. On the right side, 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x, and 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. And now the expression on the right side is in simplest form. Next, I have to put all of my variable terms on one side and my number terms on the other. And in this problem, I have a variable term negative 6x on one side and negative 15x on the other. I'm going to choose to add 15x to both sides in order to keep my variable term positive. I could have also added 6x to both sides, but that would have left my variable term negative, giving me more chance of error. Both are correct. I just like to reduce the amount of error. So if I add 15x to both sides, negative 6x plus 15x is 9x minus 2 equals negative 15x plus 15x is 0. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. And now I'm down to my last two steps. To isolate the 9x, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 9x is 9x. And negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Last step, I'm going to divide both sides by 9 in order to make my coefficient equal to 1. So 9 divided by 9 is 1x, and negative 3 divided by 9 is not a clean division, and so I'll just express it as negative 3 over 9. However, both of these have a factor of 3, and so that fraction in simplest form is negative 1/3. So my answer is x is equal to negative 1/3.